Kintsugi is the Japanese art in repairing ceramics with gold, leaving a beautiful golden seam where all the cracks used to be. It's built on the idea that in embracing all of your flaws and imperfections, you can create something more stronger and more beautiful. First, sand down all the edges of the pieces where your vase broke. Wipe off all the excess dust with a damp cloth. Apply adhesive all along the edge and smooth it out with your finger. This part is so satisfying to me, I have no idea why. Secure the two pieces together and hold it in place for 30 seconds. Any missing pieces, just fill those gaps in with adhesive and wipe off any extra adhesive with a wet cloth. Now it's time to paint along all of the cracks. Have fun and enjoy this process, and I think it's really important to be very mindful of what you're doing. You're taking something that most people would consider trash and you're making it more beautiful and bringing good energy back into it. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now so that you can enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy!